All right, guys, we're gonna go through the average pull day for me. I love to start my pull day off with bicep curls, just to pre-exhaust my biceps, meaning the whole workout. They're gonna be activating, meaning the whole workout. I have a sick and juicy pump. Look at this right here, contracting the top, making sure you hit both heads of the bicep, the long and the short head. Hitting both these will make sure your biceps look big and juicy the entire workout. And so the first back exercise is a horizontal pull motion called the cable close grip row. I love this one because it's really easy to activate your entire back here. With my lats and my spinal erectors, along with my traps, my rhomboids being activated. And next up, my second favorite back movement, the T-bar row. The reason I love the T-bar row so much is because not only does it activate your lower lats, but also has a really good activation of your rear delts. And you need your rear delts to be wide as fuck, right? And next is our first vertical pull movement, the isolateral pull down. The reason I like this one, because it literally lets you isolate your lats. That's what it's in the name, isolateral, because it isolates your lats. Last, but definitely not least, the assisted pull machine. I love this as the last workout for my back exercise because not only does it fully exhaust your lats, your spinal erector, your rhomboid, your entire back in general, it makes sure your forearms and biceps are fully fried, meaning your whole body's fucking pumped.